Hey, what's up guys? Today we make a dope metallic bass like Oolacile and we will get down. Time to learn some Riddim. Let's hear it. Playing D0 to your C0. Awesome. So this is a metallic bass that you can use and we're going to speed it up in different ways, but it's going to be fat, metallic-y, and we're going to be using a lot of delay. This is also going to have a serum and a sub patch here, basically in parallel, and this whole rack will be on my Patreon, so get that in my Patreon if you want it. The preset will be available as well for the low tier, and of course you can make it by watching the video if you follow along. But yeah, let's get into it. So once again, alright, I'm going to turn off the sub. Turn on. So those are our two layers. Now, if we open up this, you can see there's Serum, Saturator, 4.5 with soft clip on. We have OTT Byte, which is this OTT on these settings. Drip TT, which is just a very minimal compression. This Convolver, this is hybrid reverb, which sounds amazing. Off. On. Just beautiful. Look at the convolution IR, EQ, cutting out the lows. If we open up the patch, we're going to see we're going to be using sine waves here. I've just been learning that the basis of sound is sine waves, so I'm just going to be messing with sine waves a lot. And oscillator A is just basic shapes, analog. Randoms down, make this LFO, put it on the level, turn it all the way up. Turn on FM from B, and we're going to put that on 56. This LFO, make sure trigger is on and triplet is on, and the rate is at 1.4 for now. We can change this, but this is 1.4 speed. You can use half. You can do the 1.4 triplet, the 1/8 triplet. You can even cut it. And yeah, we can make different shapes, but we'll just leave it on 1.4 for now. Go to oscillator B, get analog basic MDC. The wavetable position's at 108. Randoms down, levels all the way down. We're using this to bring it in to oscillator A. And then of course the octave is +2. Now we're going to open up the filter. So for the filter, we're going to pick multi LB12. Put the cutoff on 24 hertz, turn it up 33. This is going to be filtering out a lot of the frequencies and just slowly bringing in some lows and mids, which is really nice for the OTTs. Resonance is at 41%, drive is at 15%, frequency is at 100%. We're going to bring it down -10, and then mix is at 100%. Now we can go to the effects. So I want you to hear what it sounds like without effects. This is what the filter looks like. So then we're going to add a compressor, multiband, gains on 21. So that's a pretty cool sound. And then we have our downsample. This is going to be at 34% distortion. Now, to make the metallic bass, we have to use the delay, and we have to use short delay while it's linked. So the link is right here. The feedback is at 60%. Right now, our delay is at 28.96. Before, now after. Ooh, very nice. And if we change the delay, we start getting different sounds. But we really want to stay low. So we were at 28. We can go to 25, for example. Move up to even 30. Or 29. That one's amazing. I like that. We can even go to 30. I'm playing C0 now. We have a lot of different basses now. Then we can start changing the rate to find. And then if we go to our sub here, the sub is just another layer. Has a saturator, drip TT, pedal with sub on, erosion, giving it some wide white noise. The Serum patch is the same patch, but with the sub direct out and the LFO on the sub. Now with this, it's giving us our low end. So this is before, this is after. But the sub is at a different rate. It was at 1/4, so we got to change this to 1/4 T. Dope. And then technically you could just duplicate the whole track. And then on this track, we can make it like the slow one. So we go to Serum, change it to like 1/4, change the sub as well to 1/4. All right, so now we're gonna go back to this patch here. We're gonna pick something we like, and then we're gonna go with that. That's how we make a metallic bass, a rhythm bass, a bass like Oolacile, and that's how we get down. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, get all these in the Patreon. Hit me up on IG if you want any lessons or have questions. Otherwise, have a good night. Stay fresh. Peace out.
Brace yourself for the darkness.